Welcome back to our series on JavaScript array methods. If you haven't seen the part 1 and part 2, link in the description below. In today's video, we will dive into 5 more exciting array methods. The join method is used to join all the elements of array into a single string and return that string. You can specify the delimiter, which is a string that separates each element in the resulting string. If you don't provide a delimiter, the default value is comma. In this easy example, we have an array of fruits, and we use the join method to join them into a single string, using the comma and space as a separator. In this advanced example, we have a list of books. We use the for loop to order the books from old to new ones, then push the result into a new array. Final step to join all of those books, using a backslash with the n as a delimiter to print each element into a new line. The map method that allows you to create a new array by applying a function to each element of an existing array. It doesn't modify the original array, but it returns a new one with the modified elements. In the easy example, we have an array of numbers, and we use the map method to create a new array that called the double numbers, where each element is double value of the corresponding element in the original array. In this advanced example, we have an array of objects, representing students with their names and ages. We use the map method to create a new array, which consists only the names of the students. We achieve this by applying a function to each object in the student array and returning the name property for each one. In both examples, the map method simplifies the process of transforming or extracting data from an array. Little break, don't forget to like and subscribe, which make this channel grow, so more people benefit from the content. Let's keep going with the next method. The flat method is another built-in JavaScript array method that allows to flatten a nested array, meaning it's convert a multi-dimensional array into one-dimensional array. This method doesn't modify the original array, but it returns a new flattened array. In this easy example, we have a nested array with multiple levels of depth. Using the flat method to create a new array, which is one-dimensional array, contain all the elements from the original nested array. If the depth level not specified, then it can be 1 by default. In this advanced example, we have a deeply nested array with many levels of depth. To flatten completely using the flat method with the infinity keyword as argument, which tells to flatten the array the deepest level possible. The result is one-dimensional array contain all the elements from the original deeply nested array. The FlatMap method is a combination of map and flat methods, used to apply a function for each element of array, then flatten the result into a new array. Like map method, it doesn't modify the original array, but it returns a new one. In the easy example, we have an array of numbers. We use the FlatMap method to create a new array. Inside the callback function, the number can be double for each one and return it. Then it flattens these arrays into one-dimensional array. In this advanced example, we have an array of objects representing people with their names and hobbies as array. Using the FlatMap method to create a new array. Inside the callback function, we extract the hobbies for each person. Then it flattens into one-dimensional array, effectively combine all the hobbies from all the peoples. The FlatMap method is practically useful when you want to combine both map and flatten array into a single operation. Final method in this video is the fill method, which is used to fill all or portion of array with a static value. It modifies the original array and returns the modified array. In this easy example, we have an array of numbers, and we use the fill method to set all the elements of the array to be a 0. This operation modifies the original array in place. In this advanced example, we have an array of colors. We use the fill method to change the portion of the colors array. Specify the value purple provided from started and end indices for the portion of the array you wanted to fill. The fill method is useful when you wanted to quickly initialize or modify the array with a specific value. It's filling the entire array or portion of it. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.